Strapi versus WordPress. Which CMS is better? Choosing the right content management system can completely change how you build and manage your website without unnecessary complexity. We'll look at Strapi and WordPress and what sets them apart. Strapi and WordPress are two popular CMS platforms but serve different needs. Strapi is a headless CMS focused on flexibility and developer control, while WordPress is a traditional CMS known for ease of use and a vast ecosystem. The core difference lies in architecture and customization. Strapi is an open-source headless CMS designed for developers who want full control over content management and delivery. It works by decoupling the backend from the front end, allowing you to manage content via an intuitive admin panel and deliver it through APIs to any platform or device. Its strengths include flexibility, custom content types, and seamless integration with modern frameworks like React or Vue. Strapi supports REST and GraphQL APIs, making it ideal for complex applications requiring tailored content workflows. However, it requires technical knowledge to set up and maintain, which can be a limitation for non-developers or small teams. Strapi is ideal for developers or businesses building custom digital experiences, mobile apps, or multi-channel projects that need scalable and customizable content infrastructure. WordPress is a widely used traditional CMS that powers over 40% of the web, known for its user-friendly interface and extensive plugin ecosystem. It combines content management and presentation in one platform, allowing users to create websites without coding skills. WordPress offers thousands of themes and plugins to extend functionality, from SEO tools to e-commerce solutions. Its strengths lie in simplicity, rapid deployment, and a large community for support. However, WordPress can become bloated with plugins, potentially impacting performance and security if not managed carefully. It's less flexible than headless CMSs when delivering content to multiple platforms beyond websites. WordPress suits bloggers, small businesses, and users who want an all-in-one solution for website creation and management without deep technical involvement. Comparing Strapi and WordPress highlights key trade-offs. Strapi excels in flexibility and developer control, perfect for projects needing custom content APIs and multi-platform delivery. It requires coding skills and setup time, but offers scalability and modern architecture. WordPress shines with ease of use, quick setup, and a rich plugin library, ideal for traditional websites and users without technical backgrounds. However, it can struggle with complex integrations and multi-channel content distribution. For example, a company building a mobile app alongside a website benefits from Strapi's API-first approach, while a blogger or small business owner prefers WordPress for straightforward site management. Choosing between them depends on your technical resources, project complexity, and content delivery needs. Choose Strapi if you need a flexible, developer-friendly CMS that supports custom APIs and multi-platform content delivery with full control over your data and workflows. Opt for WordPress if you want a simple, all-in-one CMS with an extensive plugin ecosystem, ideal for traditional websites and non-technical users. Both platforms are powerful but serve distinct purposes, so pick the one that aligns best with your project requirements and skills.